Here we represent the intensity of the Sumatra earthquake in terms of the intensity of the California earthquake. So for this, we have to determine the ratio of the Sumatra earthquake with the California earthquake. So first, let S represents the Sumatra earthquake, which is 7.3 in Richter scale, and this letter C represents the California earthquake, which is given as 5.3 on the Richter scale. So I'm finding this ratio, that is S over C, and this equals 7.3 divided by C is 5.3, and so this implies S by C, and this gives, when you divide 7.3 by 5.3, we approximately get 1.377, and we can approximate this to one decimal place. This is 1.4. So we had we get this equation, that is S by C is approximately 1.4. We can multiply by C on both sides, and so we get S. This is approximately 1.4 times of C, which is 1.4 C. And this gives the information that the Sumatra earthquake is approximately 1.4 times the California earthquake. And this answers this question.